Hello, today I want to talk to you guys specifically about how to make a dating profile picture. So I did a survey recently of women and I did it across multiple groups, Facebook groups. So it's not like scientific or anything, but I did ask a bunch of ladies, what are they looking for in a profile pic from a guy when they're looking at dating apps? And the answers may surprise you. So some do's and don'ts. Here are a couple of the don'ts, actually. Many women said, we hate the this face where you get all tough and you look like I'm tough and I'm too tough to even be on this dating website. So the tough face is off-putting. A lot of the women said that it makes you look scary, it makes you look uninviting, and you're more likely to get, is left the bad one. You're going to be swiped left more if you do that face. The other thing they didn't like is fish lips, or apparently one person said they don't like an actual fish in the picture. So no fishies, whether it's in your hand or in your mouth. Those are some of the don'ts. Also another don't was, like guys who do the chew. And they they try to be so hard. Again, it's basically anything that you're looking hard and looking kind of dangerous, actually. For women, it's scary. And it's a turnoff. And yes, your body may look really nice, but it's not something that is drawing women in. So here's what women said they do like. They like a smile. They want eyes. One woman very specifically said she looks for eyes that smile too. So not just do you see this? So my mouth is smiling, but it looks aggressive because my eyes aren't smiling. Do you see the difference? So people are reading this in pictures, and if you're fake smiling, they see it and they can it impacts their willingness to swipe right or swipe left. So with that being said, thinking of smiling with your whole heart, actually some of the best pictures look like a genuine facial expression that basically shows you in motion. So if you have a friend or a brother or sibling or just somebody who could take a picture of you after maybe you've been told a joke, for example, that action of you genuinely smiling and wholeheartedly just putting yourself out there is a sexier picture. It's warm, it's inviting, it's calming, and it draws the ladies in. Here's something else they mentioned. They don't just want a facial picture. They do want a body picture, but a lot of women were put off by the shirtless picture. It's not that they're not interested in your chest, and at some point maybe they'll want to see your chest, but initially it was a turnoff for a lot of women. But they do want to see your body type because, again, yes, I hate to say it, but dating is still initially, it's about, do I find this person attractive? Do I like their body type? Am I interested in them? So if you only show the face, but you don't show your body somehow, doing something, being in some sort of natural pose, then it can look like you're hiding, okay, then I'm a little bit heavier or I'm a little shorter or whatever, so that's the other thing. So be completely honest. Every woman is interested in a variety of body types. So no, you may not have the perfect Adonis body type, and I'm not expecting anybody to have a perfect body, but people still prefer honesty over anything else. So when you're taking a picture, show your whole body, and don't be afraid to show that you have a few extra pounds. There are women out there who are looking for you, and they want an honest person. Oh, that's the other thing. A picture within the last 6 months was another thing that the females said. They want recent photos. And another one that I thought was really interesting, another tip, was that they do want to know what you're interested in, what your hobbies are. So for those of you who are fishermen, I think somewhere in there, having your fisherman hobby is worth having so that people know what you're about, but not just that. If your hobby is swimming, if your hobby is bicycling, some pictures that show who you are as a person, give them something to talk to you about, to ask about. And the other thing is, for the main profile picture, I did hear a lot of women say, avoid putting kids in the main picture. So you can put it somewhere in your profile, because obviously if you're a parent, you're a parent. But in that main picture, they just want to see you, your face, your smile, you being soft and genuine. Okay, those are my tips for your dating picture, for your profile. Actually, if you would like If you would like some critiques or feedback, you could post a G-rated photo in my comments below, and I would be happy to give you suggestions for how to make it better. Or other ladies watching can do that too. Please like and subscribe. And also, if you want to see me, please submit a contact form at therapistsinstlouis.com.